In my last video, I demonstrated how to use the Xreal One glasses together with the DJI Air 3. If you missed that video, you'll find the link in the description below. How to change the virtual screen size and difference between follow, anchor mode and anchor mode with auto transparency. And today I'm testing the same immersive setup with the DJI Neo2. So what do we need? First of all, we need the Neo2. We need the 04 transceiver to be able to communicate with the RC2, the RC2 itself, and the most important part, the Xreal One glasses with a USB-C cable. Okay, let's give it a try. So I have my Neo2, which is powered up, which is connected to the RC2. I already have my Xreal One glasses on, and only thing left to do is take the plug and plug it in the RC2 controller. So let's see. And I have a picture. So to be able to see my controller again, I will fix the display in the direction of the front, like here. Updated. Thank you, home port updated. Okay, good to go. I can see in front. And I have the transparency mode, so if I look to the left or the right, I can see everything. I can look down, I can see my controller. And let's give it a try. So here's my little Neo.
Operate remote controller.
Yes, we know. Please start now for me. So here's here, out of the roof. And off we go. Now I can clearly see the drone and operate it with the glasses. And if I want to check the controller, all I have to do is look down. That's it. The DJI Neo might be small, but flying it with AR glasses actually makes it easy to frame your shots and feel the flight. Thanks for watching. Check the description for the gear I used today, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.